Welcome back to the Lost Digit. Today we're looking at the 2020 GR Supra, and what I'm going to do to it today are put smoked Sidemarker vinyl on them. So those side markers here are reflectors. There's two in the front, two in the back, and I wanted to make them black to kind of match the design of my car that I'm going for. So the first thing I had to do was buy some, and I found some on FT Speed. Now it seems like you don't need to buy front and rear. It seems like all four come. So I accidentally ended up buying two, thinking I was buying two front and two rear. So I have two sets now. I guess I have backup in case I need. First thing you want to do is really clean it well. So I cleaned it well, and then you can match the top and just run your finger down it, and then rub a few times and make sure it's smooth. That's it. So it took me about 5 minutes to do all four, and as you can see here, it's completely changed the aggressiveness of the car. So even though it's just a minor change, it really looks great. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one for more Supra content.